So our last example is about the pH scale. This is one that you've probably seen before. The pH scale is used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of a substance. Okay, so how acidic or how basic something is. pH stands for power of hydrogen and is given by this formula right here. pH equals the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. And the hydrogen ion concentration is measured in moles per liter. For the purpose of this course, you do not need to know what a mole is. So down here we do have the scale for our pH. Along the bottom it ranges from 0 to 14. The closer to 0 something is, the more acidic it is. The closer to 14 something is, the more basic it is. And if it's at around 7, it is neutral. Okay, so things like vinegar, stomach acid, lemon juice, those are acidic. Milk, blood, those are neutral. And then things like household ammonia is basic. So if we had an example where they gave us that pure apple juice has a pH of approximately 3.3, and they're asking us for the hydronium ion concentration in moles per liter, we only have one possible formula for pH, so we know which one we're going to use. They're asking us for the ion concentration. They give us the pH number. So we're going to plug 3.3 in. And we're trying to solve for the H there. So move the negative over. And then to get the H alone, we switch to exponential form. Okay, so it's base 10, so it becomes 10 to the negative 3.3, and that's the hydronium ion concentration, which if we did to 4 decimal places would be 0.0005 moles per liter. Okay. And then we can write out our therefore statement. Therefore, the hydronium ion concentration of apple juice was 0.0005 moles per liter. And our last one here, it says, what is the pH of a substance with a concentration of 4.3 times 10 to the negative 8 moles per liter? Okay, so once again, only one possible formula here. This time they're giving us the opposite bit of information. They're telling us the ion concentration. So we're going to sub that in, and we're actually solving for pH. And this one is really nice because you could work it out using log laws, but you can also just type it into your calculator because your calculator does have a log button. So negative log of this, and you should get approximately 7.4. And I have room for a therefore statement, so I'll write one out. Therefore, pH of a substance with H plus concentration of 4.3 times 10 to the negative 3 moles per liter is 7.4. So those are 3 examples that I would expect you guys to know. So you've got the earthquake example, the sound example, and now the pH. And all 3 of those use logarithmic scales because a difference of 1 in each of those things actually is a magnitude of 10. So you guys can begin working on the homework, which is in your textbook. Okay? Please email your teacher if you have any questions.